Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy my recipes. Today I am going to share egg omelette masala curry. Omelette masala curry is simple to make and tastes very good. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, and friends who are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Now let's get started. I am taking this 4 eggs for omelette. Beat all the 4 eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon chopped tomatoes, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and few coriander leaves. Mix it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and salt as per your taste. Mix it. Take a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil into it, add half mixture of omelette, cook the omelette for 90%. We are cooking omelette for 90% because to roll like this, when you roll like this, it sticks to each layer and cooks completely. One omelette is done. The other one is also done. Now cut into 3 inches. Yes, take other pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it, 1 teaspoon of zira, and 2 sliced onions, few curry leaves. Mix it. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Fry for 4 minutes. Then add very finely chopped 3 tomatoes. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes till the tomatoes have become soft. Yes, tomatoes are cooked soft. Now add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of zira powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of methi powder, kasuri methi, and add 1 glass of water to it. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes are done. Add half cup of tamarind juice. I have extracted tamarind juice from 1 lemon size tamarind soaked in water. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes till the oil oozes like this. Now add coriander leaves into it. Give it a mix. Now you can add with this omelette rolls. See, you can see how nicely it is cooked inside, and each layer is also sticked. Now drop this omelette rolls into this gravy. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes are done. You can see omelette curry masala is done. Very tasty and yummy omelette curry. Once give it a try. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.